After mong manganak, parang hindi na ganun ka-intense yung orgasm mo dati, no? Normal ba to?
Stop the car. You'll be too quiet.
Isang mom ang nag-open up sa clinic. Dok, okay naman yung relasyon namin ni Mister. Pero parang nawawala na yung spark. Hindi na ako nagkaka-orgasm like before. Marami sa inyo ang nahihiyang itanong to. Pero importante siyang pag-usapan. Pagkatapos manganak, pwedeng magbago ang sensation during sex dahil sa hormonal shift, pelvic floor trauma, vaginal laxity, or even psychological stress, or even physiological stress. Estrogen levels bumababa, kaya nababawasan ang vaginal lubrication. Kung may episiotomy or tear ka, the nerves around the area might heal differently. And let's not forget, pagod ka, stress ka, ang utak mo, major sex organ din yan. Pero good news, pwede maibalik ang spark. May mga solusyon: pelvic floor therapy, vaginal rejuvenation, hormone therapy, and yes, open communication with your partner. Hindi ka nag-iisa. Hindi ito arte o drama. It's biology. It's value. And you deserve pleasure as much as you deserve healing. Dr. Carla here, your V-Confident OB/GYN bestie. Real talk lang, walang filter, just facts, care, and science.